This plant has the ability to return your vision, remove fat from your liver and completely cleanse the colon. If you are someone that has trouble maintaining a healthy diet, or maybe you've been told by your doctor you have fatty liver disease. If so, pay close attention to this video. Taking care of your body can be a tough task. Eating right is probably the hardest part. And as we get older, and our metabolism starts to slow, it's important that we do the things we can to maintain our body's durability. A healthy diet is the best place to start. This recipe contains one of the healthiest vegetables in the world, beets. This plan will help you restore your eyesight, cleanse your liver from fat and toxins, and remove toxins and waste from your colon. And it's very simple, you just have to take a look at the article below and find out more about this. In our personal opinion, the best thing about this remedy is that you just need 4 simple ingredients, which you probably already have in your kitchen cabinet. Beets are truly amazing, wouldn't you say? They contain high amounts of iron and are a great food to eat if you're menstruating. Many people around the world used beets for thousands of years to treat many different problems. They are loaded with iron. Actually, beets have the highest content of iron right after garlic. When it comes to iodine content, this vegetable is second only to kale. Beets are loaded with many healthy nutrients and they can boost your metabolism as well. They also give your body potent antioxidants that are more common in red beets. Beets also contain high amounts of polyphenols and betalains. These prevent free radical damage and oxidative stress. Beets are loaded with B vitamins and PP, which strengthens capillary walls. You should also know that it is a super healthy vegetable, has great mineral content such as potassium and folate, which protect the heart. Magnesium for strengthening the bones. Iron and phosphorus to stimulate energy. Copper targets free radicals and iodine participates in the biosynthesis of thyroid hormones. Follow these directions to create a fantastic healthy healing meal. Ingredients: 2 to 3 beets, 2 onions, extra virgin olive oil, vinegar, salt to taste. Directions: peel the beets and cook them in water with a pinch of salt. Chop them in small slices and put them in a bowl. Cut the onion and mix it with the beets. Then add some olive oil and vinegar and season with salt to taste. Sprinkle the salad with some vinaigrette once these steps are done and leave it for 1 hour. This amazing salad will clean your colon and liver and improve your eyesight as well. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Leave a comment with suggestions for future videos. We love giving you actionable health advice and remedies.